Hello Year 11, it's Miss Garforth and thank you for listening to this week's assembly. I wanted to talk about remote learning, which for all of us is a very different way of working. It's really important that whilst you're working remotely, you're looking after your mental health. We know that being in lockdown again isn't easy for anyone. It's really important that you look after yourself both physically and emotionally. And here's a few tips that you may find helpful. Try sticking to your regular routines. Having those daily routines really helps you and keeps your mind focused. Remember to stay connected to your friends and family. They're often only a video or a phone call away. If you're struggling, speak to your mentors. They're here to help you and guide you and offer you advice where they can with any problems that you might be experiencing. Try and get a good night's sleep, because by getting a good night's sleep, you'll feel refreshed and ready to face the day's challenges. Don't overwork yourself. You're only expected to work the same amount of time as you would if you were in school. Try and get some exercise. It's a really good tool for good mental health. When you exercise, it releases endorphins into your body, which make you feel good. Try running on the spot for a minute to help you relieve some stress. And please remember to take a break. When it's break, when it's lunch, come away from your learning device. Take a proper break. Even a change of room for 5 minutes can help. Working remotely is a different way of learning for all of us, both for you as students and for your teachers. We're all now accessing education from home, and we know it doesn't always go to plan. You've probably already encountered some problems and technical difficulties, and we know this can be very frustrating. Please don't worry. We understand your frustrations. There is lots of help available on the Garforth School website. If you click on the link below, you'll find a multitude of different things, from how to access Teams to how you can download Microsoft Office for free. Have a look and see if there's any tips on there that might help you. If you're still having problems and you can't find a solution on the school website, your next point of call should be your mentor. If you need help with anything, please email your mentor using your school email address. If your issue is to do with accessing your email, you could ask your parent or carer to email, or give the school a call and we'll be able to help. Mentors' email addresses can be found on the Garforth School website, and I've included a link to that on this slide. Or you can message your mentor with any problems through your Teams account. Here's a few tips that might help you. Have your timetable with you so you know what lesson you have next. Perhaps use the alarm on your phone as a reminder for your lesson timing so you know when your lesson ends and when your next one starts. Make sure you've got all your equipment with you, just as you would if you were at school, including of course a pen and paper. Listen to your teachers carefully. They've gone to great lengths to ensure that you can continue to learn. There'll be all sorts of wonderful different approaches to learning. Might be some interactive games. If you're having any problems, communicate with your teachers. Let them know. We're here to help you. And most importantly, try your best, just as if you would if you were in school. So we're back in lockdown. Are we going to think of it as a setback or as an opportunity? Well, let's take some positives from it. You're in the comfort of your own home. You don't even have to leave if you don't want to. You'll get to use software that you may never have even heard of, some of which will be quite fun to use. You no longer have to walk to school in the freezing cold or pouring rain. You can wear just what you want, and you don't have to put your phone away in your bag. You also get to have a bit of a lie-in. If you don't know something, use your phone, research it straight away. And you can have your dinner and drinks whenever you want to. And remember to ask for support. We're here to help. Thank you for listening, and I'll speak to you again next week.